The first thing we need for our project is pie crust. My little pan that I'm going to cook it in is 8.5 inches in diameter, 1.5 inches tall, and it just fits perfectly in my air fryer. No sodium pie crust and tea cookies video has the recipe for you. On low speed with my mixer, I whip together 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter that was melted and then cooled before you put it in here with these eggs, and 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. We can't use the imitation. It's got way too much sodium in it. This is Kirkland from Costco. A 1/4 cup has 1 milligram of sodium. I have seen pure maple syrup at the store go from 1 milligram to 10 milligrams for a 1/4 cup. Whichever one you get, we can still use it. It's low enough in sodium. I'm going to stir in 2 tablespoons of peanut butter that has no sodium. I've seen this at Walmart. Sprouts carries it. Trader Joe's, Healthy Heart Market. It's really good. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. 3/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Stir it a little. Just mix up the peanut butter a little bit. And put in 1 cup of pecan hims. I think I got a couple extras. Mixture is going to go in my little pie pan. And then we want to make a sling. This is 2 pieces of heavy-duty aluminum foil. Great idea. Put your little pan on that. Really makes it easy to pick the pie up and put it in the air fryer. Then when the pie gets done, just lift it out of there, put it on a cooling rack. This is going to go in my air fryer at 370 degrees. Our pie was done in 20 minutes. It needs to cool on a wire rack. I don't know whoever thought about that sling, but oh, it's nice to get that pie out of the air fryer. No more burned fingers. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday there's going to be a new low sodium recipe for you. And sometimes there'll also be a tip to lower that sodium. Click on the little bell and you'll hear a little ding every time I publish a new video. Our pie has almost as much filling as a 9-inch baked pie does. Our whole pie has 143 milligrams of sodium. I always get 6 generous servings. Each one is less than 24 milligrams of sodium. My store brand has a whip topping in Ready Whip. Neither one of those have any sodium, and they are very good on a pecan pie. When the pie becomes room temperature, put it in the refrigerator to cool completely. It will thicken up very nicely for you. Whole Foods Market and Sprouts Farmers Market have the no sodium peanut butter on their shelves. They also have a no sodium almond butter. That almond butter is very, very good. I've not used it in the pie, but I would bet it would be really good too. We're having company tonight for dinner. There's plenty of pie for everybody.